So for the next few assignments, what we're going to do is add dimensions to previous drawings. And so the first thing that we're going to do in order to achieve that is create a new layer. We call that new layer dimensions. And then this new layer you can either make dark blue or cyan. I usually click cyan because it's a little bit easier to see on the dark background. Then what you want to do is go back to the properties menu and choose the dimensions layer before you change the dimension style to standard, which is the bottom one. And by doing that, our dimensions are going to be an appropriate size for our drawing. If we stick with the default, those dimensions are very, very large. So now what we can do is we can make sure we've got the dimension layer selected, and then we can type dimension or DIM, and we can make a dimension. So the first one I see on this drawing goes from the left side to the center, and I'm going to make sure that it's got a little bit of room. And then you can just continue doing using the dimension tool. To create the other dimensions. Oh, now notice that this number is a little bit off, and that's because I missed the point that I was trying to reference. So we have a couple of things that we can do. If we escape from the dimension tool and we click once on the dimension, then we can click again and move any of the points. So if we wanted to move where the number was away from the shape, we could go higher or lower. And if we wanted to change where the references were to the shape, we could also do that. And that's how you dimension your shape.